I get that this is not going to necessarily create an avalanche of conversions from mutual funds into ETFs, but I'm wondering about your take on the 401k system. I've been waiting for 10 years for even small cracks to occur and make it a little easier to own ETFs in the 401k situation. Where are we on that? Just give us a brief update.
Yeah, so there are a few record keepers, some small, some large, that do have ETFs in 401k plans. Generally, you kind of have to decide that when you're setting the 401k plan up. So that doesn't help most of us who are already working for a company that already has a 401k plan in place. 401k plans don't change record keepers very often. It's a huge pain in the neck. And so because of that, we haven't seen a lot of innovation in the 401k record keeping space. Plus, let's be honest, right? The mutual fund industry is in the 401k industry partially because they can fund record keeping through 12b1 fees. And that's something that most ETFs just don't have to offer. So to put a 10, 20 basis point ETF in a 401k means somewhere in the system you've got to pay for that record keeping and education and statements and all that jazz that goes along with running an ERISA approved retirement plan. So what we really need is a restructure of how corporations think about funding these plans, how they think about managing these plans, and honestly, we just haven't seen it. Some cracks in the system. Folks like Schwab have done a lot of really interesting work around it, but so far, not a ton of uptake.
Yeah, that's a separate topic, Dave, and a very important topic. Low-cost funds may not necessarily be feasible the way they're currently set up, at least in the 401k plan. It's a great point, Dave.